In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most fire naked and breaded buffalo chicken wings. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I am your host, Farnum, and today we are going up north to Buffalo, New York, in the kitchen. We're making the most fire buffalo chicken wings. It's super easy. I know everybody likes to order them, but I promise, when you make them at home, they're so much better than anything that you can order out. Before we get into that, I need you guys to please scroll down and hit that subscribe button. I swear it helps the channel more than you even know, and make sure to smash that like button and stay tuned because I'm saying a secret word somewhere in this video, and if you put it in the comments section, you could win $100 cash. All right, so buffalo wings. Let's be real. America's done some cool stuff. We've made Tabasco. We got Teslas in outer space. We got Dogecoin. And then there's buffalo wings. Seriously, it's an American delicacy. They're amazing, and it's hard to get them fire when you order out. So I'm gonna show you how to make the most incredible, juicy, crispy, buttery buffalo wings in your house. I'll say nothing else besides watch the B-roll. All right, so we're making two different kinds of wings here. So if you're interested in just the buffalo wing, all you're gonna need is chicken wings with the bone and the skin, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, Worcestershire Sauce, nobody knows how to say this, white vinegar, garlic powder, and unsalted butter. If you wanna do fried wings, you'll need that plus buttermilk, oil to fry, flour, smoked paprika, Old Bay, red chili flake, and cayenne. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, whether you're making naked or breaded wings, is we gotta break the chicken down. Obviously, you can buy these in just drums and wings, but they had the organic ones at my grocery store, and I always try to stick organic, so we're gonna break these things down. If you don't get them broken down, this is what it's gonna look like right here. You got your little wing tip up here. We're gonna cut this off, save it for a soup or throw it out. You got your flat right here, and then this is your drum. So we're just gonna cut them up real quick. So there's a joint right here. So we're gonna take our knife, we're just gonna cut right through that joint. And then all we have left is our flat and our drum. You can bend it and you can feel the joint. It gets real easy. It's right in here. So all you're gonna do is just kind of cut your skin, find that joint. And once you cut through that joint, you got your drum, you got your flat, you just put those into a bowl. So we're just gonna do that for the whole pack real quick. We'll break them down real easy. Okay, so after separating and breaking up all your chicken, you're gonna realize that you should have just bought the ones that were already separated, because honestly, that was a pain in the ass. But hey, it is what it is. It's organic. We'll take it. Next, you're gonna take a baking sheet and some paper towels, fold them in on each other, and then we're gonna put all our chicken and lay them out. The point is, we do not want moisture in these, so the paper towels is just gonna really help to soak it up. All right, once you got all your chicken lined on the paper towel, we're just gonna grab another layer and put it right on top and just kind of dab them and just try to get as much of the moisture off as possible. All right, once you've patted everything down, take the paper towel off, and we're gonna set these on the side and finish our batter and our flour. All right, so I spoke to the boys, and most of them want buffalo wings. So we're gonna do a few breaded ones. So all you're gonna need is about 2 cups of buttermilk, about a tablespoon of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of red chili flake, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black cracked pepper. And now we whisk. Once you've got it whisked, go ahead and just put your chicken wings in. And make sure they are fully coated. Okay, so for best results, we're gonna wrap this up in the refrigerator for 24 hours. If you don't have 24 hours, you only have 30 minutes like we do, it's still gonna be fire. Okay, so lastly, for the prep work, we're gonna do our flour mixture. So that's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of Old Bay, 2 teaspoons of cayenne, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of red chili flake, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a ton of black cracked pepper. And now we whisk. Okay, so at this point, you should have your wings in your brine, your flour mixture, and your patted dry chicken wings that we will be doing buffalo style. We're gonna switch the cameras around, go to the stove, and get to frying it up. Let's go. All right, so here we are over at the stove. We got the squad in the back. And we've got all of our things set up, and it's gonna look a little something like this. So we're gonna have our ingredients for our homemade buffalo sauce. Next to that, we've got our chicken wings and our brine. Next to that, we've got our flour with our spice mixture. We've got about 2 to 3 inches of canola oil heated up to about 375 degrees. A bomb-ass fryer that's about $100 on Amazon, which is where we're gonna put our buffalo wings. And next to that, we have got our naked chicken wings. All right, so we've got 2 different fry situations here, which is a little OD, but I wanted to give you guys options, obviously, and our wings have to be fried at 2 different temperatures. So in our fryer, 275 for about 12 minutes, that's our buffalo wings. And right here in our pots, that's where we're gonna do our breaded wings. We wanna stay around 350 the whole time for about 6 to 8 minutes or until we hit 165 internally. So since these take a little bit longer, we're gonna drop our wings in here first. So if you wanna come in, we'll show you how. All right, so we're gonna start out with about 6 to 8 wings in here. So I'm just gonna grab 6 or 8 of these guys. They're nice and dried off. All right, so once you got them all ready, we're just gonna go ahead and drop them in. Give them a shake. Put the lid on. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. I just want to check the temperature because we might be there, well over 165. Once we shake all that excess oil off there, we're just gonna go ahead and put them into our bin. And when we finish the rest of our wings, we'll add our sauce in here. But until then, let's do our second batch. All right, so now we're gonna bread these wings. Those are about halfway done. These are gonna take 6 to 8 minutes, so just follow me real quick. So you're gonna take your wing, get all that excess batter off there, shake it off, and then we're gonna throw it into our flour mixture. Go ahead and coat. Make sure it's nice and liberally coated. Throw that on a plate, and we're just gonna rinse and repeat. Throw it in there, flour, 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 press. And 2. All right, so now we're just gonna take our wings and we're gonna drop them right in. All right, honestly, I'm probably cutting it a little close with how close to the top this oil is with open flame. Never a good idea. Just make sure you're real careful. I'm about to blow your mind, bro. Ready? Ooh, that's the most fire fried. What? Come on, bro. What are we talking about? All right, so over a low heat, we're gonna melt 2 sticks of butter, and then we're gonna do 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. Pour that straight in. Then we're gonna do half a teaspoon of Worcestershire, half a teaspoon of white distilled vinegar, and about half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And just slowly whisk everything together while that butter melts. All right, once the edges start to bubble, we're just gonna take that off the heat so the butter doesn't separate. We're gonna give it a little bit more of a mix. And we do a taste test to make sure we don't need anything else. Make sure it doesn't suck.
I want that on the chicken, bro. I want to try on the chicken.
What the? All right, so ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we've got our fried chicken done. We've got our buffalo chicken done. Our sauce is done. Now we're gonna put everything together and do a taste test. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time, my favorite part of the show. It's time for the taste test. We've got our buffalo wings, our breaded wings, and now we're just gonna introduce our celebrity taste testers. You know who it is, man. He's always, whoa, 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 hey, yo. We got T, Zach in the building, Troy in the building, Hey, make sure you go subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's lit. He'll be talking about hair and cool shit like that. Boys, what you think?
I'm excited for
I want
that.
that
Yeah,
one.
that's the one right there.
The buffalo. See, everybody wants the buffalo. But I did the fried, the breaded ones just to try it. So grab a wing. Grab a wing.
Yeah, let me get one of those.
Dang, you already ate it?
No, let me get some celery.
Don't eat it.
He ate it.
No, I didn't.
Lying. What are you, 4?
1, 2, 3.
That sauce is fire, bro.
That
Bro.
sauce is amazing. This is better than any of the wings
Oh,
we did
yeah.
on that one video.
That sauce is savory, bro.
The crunch is crazy. You know when you get like yeah, with celery, I don't really.
Nigga nervous. Perfect in the middle.
But the sauce is what makes it.
Yeah, savory
The
flavor.
sauce.
Sauce goes crazy.
Kind of
We
like
should
that creamy.
we should try one of the breaded ones, low key. Yo. Oh my god. Mmm.
Yo, oh, damn. That's fire. Try
Holy
that one.
shit.
Try that one.
That was the
I swear to God, that one's fire.
Yeah. That's the same sauce.
Same sauce, bro. It's just the
It
seasoned
kind of absorbs more.
and the seasoned breading, bro.
This is so
Yeah, that's
fucking
fire.
good.
Bro, this might be the best wing I've ever had.
That's actually really good.
This is 10 out of 10.
I like this one.
You like that one better?
Yeah, I don't
Really?
really like fried though. I give this one a 5
Oh
out
my
of 5.
god. So for a buffalo wing though, what do you think?
The
Overall?
sauce, it's the best
Yeah, the
sauce
sauce
I've
is what
ever
did
had.
it.
Best buffalo sauce I've ever had.
Plus the way you cooked it.
So
it's like,
easy,
it's
bro.
like creamy. It's like that savory.
yeah. Oh,
I
God.
should have made more of the breaded ones. These are crazy. Can we go out on a limb and say this might be the best buffalo wing you've ever had?
Absolutely. I like a little bit more spice though. So for me, if it was a little spicier, I think it would be.
So the reason why I didn't add cayenne, which would have gave it more heat, was because Jacqueline wants some of these. Give that a bite and tell me I'm not tripping.
That shit gas.
It's like fire.
It's fire. Yeah, it's fire. He tried to stay cool and collected like
Yeah.
that.
good.
Yeah, nah,
Damn,
that's
bro.
gas. These are crispy. They're juicy. The flavor is perfect. Like
Bro, it's crazy because I'm normally like I like fried, like the breaded ones, but these are actually good too.
those are gas,
Yeah,
right?
These are super good, yeah.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Oh yeah!
This shit all in my mouth, bro. It's-
Hey!
What?
What? Bro, that is fried
Fire.
perfectly.
This probably tastes better than that.
Star scale.
5 out of 5. Breaded ones. Amazing. Fresh, savory, nice, rich flavor.
I give
Stars.
the buffalo ones 4.5 out of 5. Because if it was spicier, I'd give it 5 out of 5.
Easy, easy.
Breaded
fix.
ones, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. I'm not too big on fried food, so it's too much for me, but that's actually really good. Yeah, that's fire.
Okay, but the health part, like flavor.
Yeah, I'll give it a 4. That's actually really good. Yeah, that's fire. 4 out of 5.
You're tripping. He's smoking that
This
dust.
4 out of
The wings look good. They smell good.
Okay,
5
big
out of
deal.
5.
When it comes to a buffalo wing, I don't really know what else you can ask for except for maybe more spice, which is an easy fix. You just add some cayenne pepper. And yeah, 5 out of 5 for me. Easy money. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. We just did our naked buffalo wings and our breaded buffalo wings at home. Honest to God, that was the first time me making the breaded buffalo, and the flavor was insane. Obviously, these are gonna be a little healthier, way easier, way less time consuming, but they both slapped. Hey, you're still watching because you wanna know what the secret word for the $100 giveaway is, right? Well, all you have to do
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe right now.
is go to the comment section right now and comment fire. You comment fire down below and you might win $100 cash. Hey, this is another episode of More Seasoning. My name is Farnum. I appreciate you guys for watching. We sauced up, we bossed up. If you're at home, wing it. You could do it. That was a pun. I'll catch y'all next time. Kablow. Fireball, buffalo chicken wings, and fried. George. Hey, yo! You want a treat? Facts. Whoa! My man just gleeked. Okay, and lastly, for the prep work, we are going. All right, so last for the. It's so good. Yeah. Yo, this mother chicken slapping. Just call me Kimbo Slice, Wingo Slice. That's real. Come back, baby. Come back. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Bad with lots of fools.
Like, you're